Don't you think the day you make peace with your inner world, your outer world will automatically be more fun? And there are like thousand quotes supporting this, but forget the quotes. You think about it. The last time you did not overthink before wearing that shirt or t-shirt or dress, and you did not think, oh, I'm so stressed. The boss is definitely gonna shout at me. I've not done this and that, and then you went there and maybe they did not shout, but you made a little mistake and you acted like you made a big mistake, and then there it was. Then you had someone shouting at you, then you had people looking down at you. But the day you don't seem to care much, or the day you are like, okay, it has happened, but whatever, okay, I'm fine with it. Even if you make bigger mistakes, you get away with it somehow. Think about it. If I'm not saying this out of nowhere, you think about the incidences in your life, and if nothing such has happened till now, try it, and I'm sure it will happen. But here's the thing, the more we think about not doing it, the more you tend to do it. Okay, so it does not change in a day that, oh, tomorrow I'm not gonna be stressed, because if I don't be stressed, then I won't be get shouted at. But now, because you're thinking you won't get shouted at and you won't get shouted at, and you keep repeating that to yourself, you might end up getting shouted at. So the better way is actually make peace with you, with yourself. Think, to be very honest, I have realized this, that when you make small mistakes here and there, honestly, yes, it might affect that situation a little, but nothing big is going to happen. So yes, you are responsible for it, accountable for it, but just know that it's this incident. You be sorry for it and you move ahead. You don't have to take the guilt, oh, I'm just going to be like that, and all of that stuff. And also, if you are okay with yourself, most of the people catch that and they try to be okay with you, even if you make mistakes or even if you're not perfect. And even a perfectionist who's not okay with himself, who's not made peace with his inner self, will end up in places where even the minutest details, which people wouldn't have cared otherwise, will be pointed out, he will be asked for, he will be looked at, and the degree at which people will look at him and the degree to which he will think the mistake has happened is vast. Because this is how it works. You keep overthinking, overthinking, overthinking. You make a small mistake, you make sure people don't notice it, so you do everything to make sure people don't notice it, and people are like, why are you doing all this? And then they see, oh, this is why, this is the mistake he has made. And you're like, oh shit, they got it. Oh, I'm not good at it. Oh, this, oh, that. And then they also think, yeah, he's like, he is such a perfectionist and he is thinking so much about it. There's definitely something wrong. There's something big that is wrong. So they will also think about it. And now, because they are thinking, again, the spiral goes on. You're like, oh, I made a mistake. Now they're thinking about it. So the more you care about the things, the more other people will care. So if you want to have a chill day, be chill. Even if day is not going good, even if one thing after the other is going bad, it's okay. It's a day. Humans do make mistakes, and it's temporary, is all I want to say. Don't make temporary situations or feelings to be your permanent ones, even if they're repeating a few times more. Okay? Because mistakes tend to happen, and it's completely fine as long as you are fine with it. And yes, some mistakes also might sound like morally very wrong to the entire world. So in that case, you don't have to go out and shout, oh, I don't care about this, I'm chill about it. Just don't say anything, just be there. Like, okay, like, okay, if that makes you feel bad, then maybe you won't talk about it or whatever. But what's done is done. Don't take the guilt to the level where you are self questioning yourself, where you are literally questioning your entire life. Was I made for this? Is this right for me? And this and that and all of that. Make peace with your inner world, and your outer world will automatically be more fun, be more chill, be more peaceful. That's it.